Hey, I'm going to show you how to get your small business onto Google in like 2 minutes, and it's free. Search for Google My Business. Which are there, log into your Google account and enter your business name and the category. Multiple categories covering different areas. Put the most important one first. Location, I would definitely put yes, even if you don't visit their location. You want to get an area so you can appear on the local maps. Enter your business address. Multiple businesses at your address like we do have here. You need to either pick the one that is yours that may have already found it, or you need to enter a new one. This straightforward question, yes or no. Put all the areas you serve. Make sure you put all of them and don't miss any out. Next, put in your contact details, your phone number, and make sure you have a website that you put in there. If you don't have one, that's fine too. Verified. Come in here and add all those extra services that you do. Make sure you cover everything that you can. You can always come back and change it later. Don't forget to enter your business hours and give a beautiful description. You can always use AI for this just to get you started, but it's really important. Photos of your business. If you can have customers in there, great. If it's just you, if it's just your storefront, if it's just your office, that's fine too. Continue and we are done.